so we just use those. I can't believe we're using these just for light.
Let me go turn on the light, guys, real quick. Oh my gosh.
So yeah, do you want me?
Oh crap! It is on.
Stop.
Well,
I'm gonna take the beacon.
my day's ruined. And chicken, guys.
Okay, that works.
I'll be back.
There's one. How many beacons do we want?
Oh god. Oh god, this video's gonna end. I won't have enough. I should have got everything ready before I started.
Yo, yeah, dirt. I'm just gonna go. Skirt.
Oh my god, that is much better. Ah!
What are you doing?
Phone! Gosh dang it. Alright. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the brand new YouTube video. Before I get into the video, let's just say shout out to Guava Juice, It's Moosecraft, and Wolfie Raps. Oh yeah, also Unspeakable Gaming, which I am watching right now on the computer. If you guys want to see how to make the rainbow taser, just put a like on this video. If we can get to 10 likes, that'll be great. And let me say one more thing to you guys. Yo, if you're watching this, Guava, my bro, I watch your videos every day. You're like an inspiration to me. I always watch your videos. Like, every day I feel down, I just click on a video and my day's more brighter every second I watch your videos. So, if you can, Guavs, please leave a like on this video. It'll mean a lot to me. And also, you guys out there, please subscribe. If you want to see how to make more of the things I'm about to show you, which is basically in the freaking title, so you already know, but they are fidget spinners out of Legos. And I know this might look really weird, guys, and I mean really weird, this fidget spinner, but at least it's different sizes. This is just my Batman version of the fidget spinner in Legos. And then this is my 3 of the fidget spinner. I'm trying to figure out how to make a 4 of the fidget spinner, but I have 2 right now, and they're super easy to make. And I know that they don't spin that long, which is not that good, but the reason these ones don't spin that long is because of these guys, so be careful of those. Let's get into the video. That was gay. Alright, the first thing you need to start off with are 2 pegs. It can be any color, doesn't matter, just any color. And then you can get these off of any Lego sets, like these things right here. Easy. So you need those. And then you'll need 2 of these guys. They're like those revolver barrels or something like that. They're really useful. And then just 1 of these guys. Okay, let's get into the video. So the first thing you're going to need to do is find the little gap part right there. And then clip this guy. Clip this guy into there. Boom. And then the same one to where it's equal looking like that. Okay, and then you see this bottom part right here? If you clip it in there, it'll look like this, guys. And then you need to put the yellow pegs on there so it'll stay. And the pegs work as the caps, so it looks something like this. And you can also put on these things for the Batman, and they just look like pizza slices. Boom. Doesn't take that long to make the fidget spinner, and I'm going to end the video here, and thank you guys for watching, especially you, Guava Juice, my inspiration, my hero, my god. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Leave a like on the video, subscribe. It'll really mean a help out to me. And if you want to see more Legos, if you want to see more Lego creations, please leave a like. If we can get to 10 likes, I'll do another Lego creation. And tell me what to make down in the comments below. Tell me what to do. Fights, like, I'll do anything. Just tell me what to do, and I'll do it. Except for those haters out there that are telling me to jump off a cliff, because I'm not doing that. Alright, peace out, guys.